What is up, y'all? It's your boy Church here. Today we're gonna be taking a look at Serum 2 and how it's absolute cinema. Just kidding, but we're gonna be taking a look at Serum 2 and seeing how it's better than Faceplant at actually replicating certain sounds. We're not gonna be taking a look at Faceplant per se, but we are gonna be trying to replicate certain sounds in Serum 2. So if that's your thing, subscribe to the channel, hit like on this video, and before we begin, I am wearing my merch stores, the reverse taco cat is taco cat, which you can get at the link in the description if you're in India. And I'm also working on getting this merch to Europe and the US too. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, without further ado, let's get stuck in. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to look at this sample right here. This is from a remix by Ribbon Richard, and it's basically his mix of Mundi Badnaam. Let's do a quick look. I'm not sure what that was about. Let's try again. So as you can see, there's a bunch of transients. There's some vocals at the beginning. There's there's the string. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag the sample here to the audio track. We're gonna select a segment. So let's actually enable this. So let's get rid of everything else, right? Let's bounce this to a new track. Freeze and flatten track. And now let's drag M Auto Pitch by Melda Audio. Now let's play this back, shall we? It's a D sharp, is what it starts on, right? So we're going to bring this down 3 semitones. Not inside of this per se, but inside of Serum. So we have Serum 2 here. Let's drag this little sample here. Let's set the wavetable to spectral instead of wavetable. I know. Now let's play that back. Pretty good, but we need to do some modifications instead of straight up stealing the sample. Let's decrease the release time by a bit. And let's actually increase the decay. The reason for this is we need it to play. Let's decrease it. So let's decrease the decay time all the way. Right. Now let's increase the hold. Sustain should be all the way up. Now let's go into effects and add 4 effects. One bode, one distortion, one convolutional reverb, one regular reverb. The reverb, we want it to be basin reverb. And we want to bring down the mix on the bode. We want our distortion to be diode 2. And you want to bring down the mix on that as well. Way, way down. Right? Now let's go back to our oscillators and bring this down by 3 semitones. So now we should play the right key. If we increase the octave by a bit. Yep. But that is the wrong octave though. So we're going to increase it by an octave actually. There we go. On those bassy notes for the bass line. Now let's drag a MIDI here to the Serum 2 section. I have 2 Serum 2 tracks here because one is a reference. That's on my second monitor. You cannot see it. So let's drag a bass MIDI. Bass C major. Let's drag it to the Serum 2 track. Sounds about right. Let's get in some arpeggiation here. We're going to transform, arpeggiate. Yep. Let's fit the scale. Let's save this preset as not like ribbon. Embed content and preset. Not like ribbon. Let's actually set the artist to be charioteer just because. And let's actually save it again because I screwed up the first time. Not like ribbon. Save. Replace. There we go. So yeah, basically stealing the sound with Serum 2. Absolutely wild. See you guys in the next video. Peace.